Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in this video, I am going to be covering a new project over on the Binance Smart Chain. Now this is going to be, or this is an Olympus DAO fork almost on the Binance Smart Chain, right? So if you're around in the previous cycle, then obviously you know Olympus DAO followed by Wonderland, followed by that whole DAO period, which was very fun times. People made a lot of money with those projects. Obviously, some people lost money with those projects. That's how the game works in crypto. And of course, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. So with that said, let's jump into it. So Blue Protocol. The reserve currency that pays you every 4 hours is what states on the website. So as you can see, Olympus DAO fork on the BNB chain with sustainable staking rewards and treasury backing. And we have obviously the nice chart here. So 50,000% APY is what it's advertising at the top of the website. Obviously theoretical maximum APY of perfect compounding of 0.286% rebases every 4 hours. And the next rebase is in 15 minutes. So you've got the current S-Blue balance growth, which is about 0.286% per epoch. The current price is $25 and the staking index is 1.119. So your Blue grows automatically every 4-hour rebases, no manual claiming, unstake anytime you want, no minimum staking periods or penalties, and real value backed by a diversified treasury of premium assets, not just speculation. And then you've got a growth calculator here, which you can take a look at. So we'll take a look at the docs in just a second, but if you go over to the stake tab, you can obviously see to stake your Blue. Obviously, if you wanted to deposit one, you'll receive one staked Blue there, and that will obviously get staked for the rebases. So you can see basically all of your portfolio here, how much Blue you have staked, total value, stake percentage, the staking metrics, the daily rate, the epoch rate times 2x, automatic growth. Your S-Blue balance grows automatically every 4 hours. With 6 epochs per day, you earn 1.71% daily that compounds automatically. Your S-Blue automatically compounds 6 times per day, giving you 50,000% APY and doubling your investment in just 41 days, theoretically, right? So if we take a look at the docs here, we can go over this. So built on the BNB chain, mission create sustainable community-owned reserve currency. So Blue Protocol is an Olympus DAO fork deployed on BNB, designed to create decentralized reserve currency backed by a treasury of assets. The protocol uses bonding and staking mechanisms to achieve price stability and long-term growth, hyperwire staking, asset bonding, and treasury growth. And this is how you get started. Launch info. So it did actually launch on the 17th of July, so just a few days ago there, which is pretty cool. So it's only been out for a couple of days. You've got staking there, you've got bonding, and then you've also got backing by Book of Binance as well, and you've got the security here, which contract obviously audited there, as well as contracts. You can see the Blue token, S-Blue, G-Blue, Blue staking, Blue treasury. You can see the Blue authority, the staking contracts, and the bonding contracts there. So pretty simple stuff here. Very simple. If you were around in the DAO days, you'll know what all of this means. And if we take a look at the chart here, and by the way, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I just think it's pretty interesting. Now we're seeing a lot of these DeFi projects sort of relaunch again, which is, again, pretty awesome. So you can see it did launch on the 17th of July, so just a few days ago, at $5. It did run up to 28. It did drop to 18, and it's currently sat at $25. So it's actually had some decent growth. Has a $2.5 million market cap with 884K of liquidity, so still fairly small token, to be honest. So you can go ahead and buy through their UI on here, or you can go ahead and do it over on, it just takes you straight to PancakeSwap, which is pretty cool. So yeah, well, I haven't been on PancakeSwap for so long. This is pretty cool. I haven't been on here for ages. So let's go ahead and take a look on how it actually works. So I've got $47 of USDT sat around on this wallet, which will get me 1.85 Blue there. So let's go ahead and swap this and go and buy some of these Blue tokens just so you can see how this works. Again, I'm not sponsored. This isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. it'll obviously just be interesting to see how this works on the BNB chain, right? We have not had one on the BNB chain, which is pretty cool. So DAO season coming back is very interesting, man. We haven't seen anything like this since obviously the previous cycle when DAOs were all the rage. Okay, so those transactions have now been confirmed, and let's go ahead and confirm this. And then we should be good to go. There's a lot of confirmations here. I forgot how. Yeah, PancakeSwap. Wow, I have not been on this website in so long. Okay, so let's go ahead and stake here because it looks like we've only got 10 minutes until the next rebase. So if we go ahead and stake here, okay, and then go and connect our wallet. Let's connect MetaMask and confirm this. And let's go ahead and stake my 0.1856, I think that is, blue. And then we'll go ahead and approve this and stake this into the project. Let's go ahead and stake this and confirm. Transaction confirmed there. So yeah, I will go ahead and pause the video in a second. You can see my whopping $46 just as a test here. Again, complete test. You can go ahead and unstake this and sell it whenever you want. And the good thing about this is that is obviously it's the token can go up. The token can go up, which means, you know, pretty cool for you can pull it out. So for example, if we're rebasing over the next couple of days, getting, you know, our 2% almost on our initial blue tokens, and it goes up to all-time highs again at $28, well, nothing tells me that I can't go ahead and unstake that and sell the profits, right, in the USD, as well as the extra blue tokens. So again, I've got 1.86 now. So let's go ahead and pause the video. And once the new rebase comes in about 9 minutes, I will go ahead and show you how that works. So it actually appears that I forgot to stake my blue balance. I have now staked my whopping $47. And I'll get my first epoch in about 4 hours. So my apologies for that. I cannot show you the rebase because the rebase has just happened. Although I did watch the rebase live and it did go through. So that's pretty cool. But you can go ahead and unstake whenever you want. You know, you'll receive this amount of blue tokens. Your staked blue will turn into blue. You can approve it. Okay, I can literally click approve now. It will come up on my MetaMask. I can approve the transaction and get that back out and then go and sell it over PancakeSwap. So yeah, rebased like fine. So yep, that is Blue Protocol, bluebnb.xyz. I'll leave a link in the description. Again, not a sponsored video, but I just thought it was interesting to bring because we have not had a DAO project since obviously the previous cycle. And it's interesting to see all of these DeFi projects start to come out again. I do have something that I've been looking at, which is interesting in terms of another DeFi project as well. So this is 3 that's kind of I'm aware of at the moment, plus the one I sort of made a video on the other day about the rebase tokens. That's 4. So it could be heating up for a new DeFi cycle, but it will be interesting to see. Let me know what you think, and we'll be jumping into these projects again this cycle. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.